back. So we're gonna play with a new ponytail. I'm taking advantage of having this new little fresh base, so we're gonna be running through these ponytail videos. Okay, so this next one is gonna be a colorful one too. This one's in the burgundy color, so I'm really excited for this one because this is one of my favorite ponytails, and I've run this ponytail to you at least 2 times already on my channel in the same color. But yeah, we're gonna be doing it again, but in the burgundy light color. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the install of this ponytail. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the ponytail and the connect-a-line hair. You already know how I do my ponytails. Nothing has changed, the same method. So let's go ahead and get right into the ponytail here. This is LoveLight. Y'all know I love LoveLight. This is like a long deep wave / curly ponytail, but I have it in the color SOM 99-1. Okay, and this is by Sensational. So I will have the link as well as previous videos of me wearing this beauty right here on my channel. The links will be down below, so you can check those out. If color isn't your thing and you're like me, you prefer a number 2 or a 1B, you want to watch that video. You want to see that video so you can see how that ponytail looks. But this is it right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. And I have the matching connect-a-line hair. This hair was $1.99. I picked up both of these at my local beauty supply store. The ponytail was $11.99 locally, and the hair was $1.99. Let's just see. I hope this matches better than the last colorful banging pony that I tried to bring you. Though they both said 27, girl, everybody's 27 is just not the same. Everybody's 99J and 99s aren't the same. But we're gonna go ahead and get this wrapped around the base like I normally do, because I love an extended ponytail. So this hair is heat retardant, so you can blow dry your hair with this on. I normally do that too when I spray it with the blasting spray, so that I can get a good hold and a good placement of my extended wrap. And plus it makes it look a little more sleek, finished, and polished when you hit it with the freeze spray and then hit it with the blow dryer. It just looks really, really sleek that way to me, versus just leaving it with this like yucky texture. If you leave it that way, it doesn't quite match the ponytail's texture. Alright, so I'm going to take a little of this. It doesn't take a whole lot, but you use as little or as much as you like, but this is all I require for a style like this. So I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping it around the base. You just pin the end and just continuously wrap it around just like that. Nothing special, nothing to it, but I have detailed videos on this on my channel too, so check those out, and I'll have those linked too. I got you covered, okay? But meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and get my looks with the pre-wrap. As you see this time, I didn't make it extremely tall. Don't really want it as tall as I normally wear it. This is like perfect. So now I'm gonna hit it with the blasting spray. Go ahead and put on our drawstring ponytail. Again, this is LoveLight in the color 90. Well, let me say this. Let me get it right. I was about to call it 99J, but it's SOM 99-1. All right. So yeah, love this ponytail. It's one of my absolute favorites. I love the curl pattern. I love the length, and it just looks so glamorous, so pretty. All right. So here it is, just taking off the netting, all of that good stuff. Ponytail will be down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and put it on. She's so cute. So cute. Alright. And again, this is what the construction looks like. Typical drawstring. You have a comb here, comb down bottom, adjustable strap. I like to stick my combs right here at the top of my pre-wrap. That's just what I do. It's what I've always done. It's what I'll always do. It just works best for me, and I love the way it looks, okay? Then I take the bottom comb and stick it at the bottom of my bun. Stick that comb all the way in at the top and all the way in at the bottom. Then I grab the string right here. And pull it till it's all the way shut. Just like that. And it totally encapsulates my little bun underneath. And then with the leftover string, you can cut it, make it shorter, and then tie it and pin it. But I just coil it all the way up. I don't have time for all that extra. And just pin it down. Never had a problem with it. Works for me. I've been doing this for years. Looks great. Feels great. Wears great. It just works, okay? Trust me, it works. I wouldn't steer you wrong, okay? But if you have a better way, do that. Alright, so this is how it looks on. So cute. I love the way it looks. Ooh, look at that. You get even more red underneath. Ooh, loving it. Loving the burgundy vibes. Oh, this is a total vibe, girl. Loving it. Let me know what you think. I think it's cute. As you see in back, you can see how long it is. So it is relatively long. So I love the length. I love the wave pattern. So pretty. And this tone on it. OMGG. She's very cute. I'm loving it. Let me know what you think of LoveLight in SOM a 99-1. She's cute. I like it. Let me know what you think of this color on me. Is it a look or not? Is it for me? Let me know what you think of my new ponytail, girl. Even though she's new, but she's not new. I think the color is just new because we all are familiar with this style on me. Because y'all know I wear this quite a bit. But let me know what you think of this color, girl. Is this cute or not? Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. I hope this video inspires you to try something different, try different colors, try different looks. Just be creative. Just try different things. You might like it, okay? So you can do a lot with these ponytails. I am definitely feeling this one. All right, girl, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.